Good evening, everybody. Penny Stock Whispers here, doing a stock chart video analysis of BERI. That's the Blue Earth Resources Incorporated. Going to be doing things a little bit differently this time since we couldn't find a stock chart available over on stockcharts.com. So we're going to be using this one here from the OTC markets. Just type in BERI. You can find this one and do a lot of digging onto the technical indicators if you'd like. I'm only going to go over a couple of them here because, like I said, it's a little bit more difficult to do it on this as opposed to stockcharts.com. So first off, we're a little bit higher price range. We usually like to play around at. It's $1.80. That's up 10%, 5.88% over the previous close. Pretty exciting stuff here, though. There's lots of different reasons why we think that BERI is going to be extremely well suited to see a good move in the coming days and weeks ahead. Most importantly, they had this announcement last month where they put this out announcing that they were going to start something they call the Blue Earth NASDAQ Initiative. Basically, they're just trying to get moved up to the NASDAQ range there. Like it says right here, the share structure, business model, and operations management is in what they believe to be the most optimum of presets for successful execution. It goes on, yada yada, and announced as soon as possible. Part of the Blue Earth NASDAQ Initiative is a plan of action that consists of engaging on existing oil leases to their absolute maximum. And like I said, it goes on and on. Basically, their company is just, it's set to move up. It's set to break out of this OTC pink sector and move up to the NASDAQ, which is also pretty positive. I'd like to see some news on that here soon, I would think. Give us an update on that now that we've started the new month. So I'd like to see that happen. And what also makes me think that we could see that is that we have this nice little spike up today after not seeing a lot of movement at all. Our 13-day EMA is underneath the candlestick there, showing us some support. I like that there. RSI is looking good too. We are up above the 60. Above the 50 is actually a really nice place to be. In between the 50 and where we're at right about now, it's just a nice place to hang out. Very strong. Liking that. Pull up another one here. I liked the MACD as well. We're going to do a settings like this here. Draw the MACD up. We saw this crossover back in September. September we crossed over here. Looking pretty good. Been climbing up steadily from there and moving up towards that zero line. Very bullish indeed. I like what I'm seeing. Volume here is also very interesting. I do like this one a lot. When I picked out the indicators I was going to talk about, I saw this here. I like this a lot down here in this buck 60 region, right around the buck 80. We have been seeing a lot of volume. Lots of volume came in there, and all those people are still stuck in the stock, so they're expecting it to continue to climb, and they're not going to want to sell out at the same prices that they bought in at. Furthermore, we have been seeing an increase in volume here. We've seen a nice uptrend continuing on, and that's just showing more interest in accumulation, and I can see that continue to push this forward, as well as accumulation. Or speaking of accumulation, I want to just bring this up to here as well. Nice little spike up here. I do like this. We saw a lot of accumulation, like I said, back in September. And ever since then, it was kind of level, but it's starting to come back up, starting to wake up again, which is always very positive. So that's something pretty interesting about the BERI stock charts here. I wish I could have done a little bit better of a job for you, but I invite you to come over here to otcmarkets.com and poke around with the stock yourself, the stock chart, and really get to understand it. If you have any questions or comments about this, you can always ask us on our website. We'd be happy to talk to you about it. Furthermore, if you need this is also available on otcmarkets.com, and I believe it's also going to be available in the email that we're going to send out later on pennystockwhispers.com. Very nice looking stuff here. I'm very excited to see what's going to happen with this one into the future here. Totally expecting something to come out soon. A company that's trying to move up to the NASDAQ is going to want to keep their investors in the loop, so I would expect to see something come up pretty soon. Give us just a heads up on what's happening with BERI. And here's their website. It's blueearthresources.com. If you want to take a look at it, I would highly recommend you do that too. Get some more DD about this company here. And lastly, if you just like to get all the DD sent straight to your phone, we do have this new app that just came out called Penny Stock Whispers. It's named after us. Came out October 31st. It's a pretty nice app. We've got a lot of reviews on this one, lots of positive ratings, and it's really looking really good. It's very useful. It gets you everything you need. It gets you Twitter feeds, the YouTube feeds, just about anything that our company does and our website is capable of doing. It's sent right to your phone, and you just get it all right at your fingertips. So I invite you to come over here and install this. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and good luck in the markets tomorrow. BERI, keep it on watch.